A 12 volts battery in electric cars? Necessary? Electric cars are known for futuristic tech and silent rides, but what's this? A decades-old 12 volts battery still holds its ground in their high-tech designs. Surprised? You're not alone. Let's uncover why this little hero is essential for even the most advanced electric vehicles. Ever heard of a 12 volts battery saving the day? While the high-voltage battery powers your EV's motors, the 12V quietly runs your car's everyday essentials, like lights and windshield wipers. It's not fancy, but it's crucial. Stick around as we peel back the layers of this overlooked yet vital tech. EVs scream innovation, leaving behind conventional engines for modern lithium-ion solutions. So why use a seemingly outdated 12 volts battery? The answer lies in simplicity and reliability. It's a low-voltage solution perfect for all your car's secondary functions, things we often take for granted. Think of your AC system, power steering, or even the horn. These systems run on a dependable power source, while the main battery rests or sleeps. Without the sturdy 12 volts, your car might struggle to deliver the convenience you expect. It's not old tech, it's smart tech. The 12 volts battery in EVs doesn't just sit idle. When the high-voltage battery rests, powers down, or is in sleep mode, the 12V takes over. From critical safety systems like airbags to entertainment consoles, it ensures the car stays functional day and night. That's not all. The 12 volts battery also functions as a bridge between the car's electrical systems, allowing them to communicate efficiently. It ensures power delivery is smooth, efficient, and, most importantly, uninterrupted. This little box is practically the control room of your EV. Imagine you're driving home at night, and suddenly the headlights cut out. Sounds risky, right? A failing 12 volts battery can cause such inconveniences and worse. It's no exaggeration. Studies reveal that more than 50% of EV breakdowns are linked to faulty 12 volts batteries. When essential systems like brakes, power steering, or alarms fail due to a 12 volts issue, the consequences can be alarming. That's why manufacturers prioritize this low-voltage workhorse, ensuring it's robust, functional, and integral to every EV produced. Let's compare. The main lithium-ion battery is the lifeblood of your EV, powering motors with high-voltage energy. In contrast, the 12V battery may seem small, but it complements the main battery beautifully. It powers little things that make driving safe, comfortable, and convenient. While the primary battery excels in delivering propulsion, the 12V ensures everything else operates seamlessly, like a sidekick supporting the superhero. EV enthusiasts agree. It's hard to imagine one without the other. Together, they create the flawless electric driving experience we've come to love. Still not convinced? Here's a stat to ponder. 54% of EV breakdowns result from a failing 12 volts battery. That's more than half. Despite its compact size and seemingly simple job, this component can halt your sleek EV if neglected. By combining reliability with simplicity, the 12V battery ensures your car avoids unnecessary hiccups. It's an everyday hero that doesn't ask for attention, but deserves it nonetheless. Keeping it in check ensures smooth, worry-free rides. Unlike traditional vehicle batteries, the 12V battery in EVs is tailored for modern functionalities. Designed to handle systems like advanced driver assistance, lane keeping, and emergency braking, it's built for the extra demanding electrical load of modern vehicles. It may look like any other battery, but the technology under the hood is far more advanced. Specifically built to sync perfectly with the high-voltage system, the 12V ensures consistency in performance even under challenging conditions. Neglecting your 12 volts battery can lead to trouble. Thankfully, prevention is easy. Regular checks for corrosion, ensuring proper charging levels, and occasional replacements are all it takes. Following your car manufacturer's maintenance advice can save you from unplanned inconveniences. Want to go a step further? Indicators like dimming headlights or inconsistent battery performance signal, it's time for a checkup. By staying vigilant, you extend your car's lifespan and keep it ready for any adventure. With technology evolving rapidly, industry experts speculate whether 12 volts batteries have an expiration date. Could unified battery systems, solid-state designs, or alternative solutions emerge? Maybe, but for now, the 12V remains irreplaceable in delivering the robust performance expected from EVs. Manufacturers aren't sitting still. Innovations in more efficient and longer-lasting 12 volts designs continue to roll out. Whether it's improving reliability or adapting to advanced EV systems, this trusty battery is evolving alongside electric vehicles. The 12 volts battery exemplifies big impact in a small package. Essential yet unassuming, it keeps modern EVs running smoothly. As we steer into an electric future, let's not forget this tiny marvel driving the evolution forward. Already own an EV? Check your 12 volts. It's the quiet guardian, ensuring your journeys are safe. What do you think about this essential battery's role? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of EVs. Let's keep the conversation charged, just like the systems that power your vehicle.